Whenever I talk about SEO or using keywords, you guys are like, what? So I'm putting together everything you need to know about keywords and SEO on Instagram and TikTok right now. First things first, what are keywords? Keywords are one word or a search term that people might type in on Instagram or on TikTok to actually be brought to a specific thing. For example, if I type in makeup artist, it's going to bring me to people who are makeup artists, right? They are really important because this is a great way to have more discoverability for your page or your content. Keywords and SEO are a great way to grow your following. So how do you actually find keywords to use? The first thing you have to ask yourself is, what is a term or a word that someone would type in to find this piece of content? So on TikTok, if you type in whatever you thought of for that search term and you scroll down a little bit, you'll see something that looks like this, and it's going to show you other terms that people have searched for. These are great terms to use. There's nothing really like this on Instagram unless you were to type in a hashtag and get hashtag suggestions that are related to that, but it doesn't exactly work the same. So there are a lot of external tools like Keywords Everywhere that will help you with this process on Instagram. Or you can continue to kind of just brainstorm what are other things, other terms that people would type in to find this piece of content. Now, where do you put them? In short, literally everywhere that you put any keywords is going to be beneficial for you. Definitely want to have them in your captions. Even on TikTok, if you're speaking them out loud, that's a great way to do it. On any of the platforms, having them in your bio or in your headline, that bolded area on Instagram or TikTok is huge. You can even use hashtags as keywords as well. How do you guys feel about keywords after hearing all of this? If you have any other questions, drop them in the comments.